Okay, hello. My name is Fred Folks. The main aim really is to encourage street dancers to think about their bodies and to understand the importance of gaining longevity by doing exercise. Within the dance styles that I teach, which is popping and locking, we really work through the hip a lot, and we tend to really push it in some very strange positions. Okay, so we really talk about strengthening the core, the muscles around the spine, and really focus on that iliopsoas area there, the hip flexor. But it was really just to introduce some of the exercises that I teach some of the students at the university and around the world. It really is about getting the street dancers to pay attention to their bodies and really understand the importance of being strong, being supple, being quick, and having some longevity in their dance. I've been on a mission to do this because when I left personal training, my niche was to come into teaching into the street dance world and really bring these exercises that we found second nature in the training world. We were working with Swiss balls and stretchy bands and stuff. They're doing that in gyms, but there wasn't that crossover in the dance, or at least in street dance. So that was my niche. But when I met Helen Laws, they said that, you know, and Erin, they said that this is something they were really trying to champion, and I was just spitting in the wind trying to get this out there. So I would definitely give the thumbs up. I'm not just saying this. I would give the thumbs up to them because they're really trying to push it and really trying to get these events out there. This wasn't happening before, and it's something that we've discussed and trying to work in the future to try and get more of these out there.